So in this video, I'm going to share with you the new feature drops Google has released for the Google Pixel phones. And if you're new here, just give this video a thumbs up and let's just dive into the video. So I'm going to share with you what really appeared on my Pixel 6 right here. So first of all, the update size was 516 megabytes on my Pixel 6 right here. And the first I want to share with you is within the wallpapers and styles. So when you go to your wallpapers and styles, you're going to be able to see we have new 3 created culture wallpapers right here. We have this, and then we have the next one right here, which is this right here, and then we have the next one, which is this one too right here. So if you want to know more about the creator culture wallpapers, you're going to tap on the sections to see whatever it's talking about right here. So it's by Morgan Harper Nicholas, and that is pretty much very cool. So what I'm going to share with you next is live translate. So Google has added 5 new languages to live translate, and that is pretty much very cool. And these are Vietnamese, Danish, Swedish, Persian, and then Arabic. So in case you speak any of these languages, you can now get it on the Google Live Translate, and that is pretty much very cool. So it makes texting with other people very easy when you are using this keyboard or when you're using Gboard on Google Pixel phones, or in case maybe you downloaded the Gboard on your phone, you can just get this live translate if your phone really supports it, and that is pretty much very cool. So the next thing which made its debut to the Pixel phone is the recorder right here. So with the recorder, it has brought new updates which is yet to appear on my Pixel 6, but what it does is it labels the speakers on the recorder. So in case maybe you tap on the recorder like this and you start recording and there's another person talking beside you, the recorder right here is actually going to label the speakers with different inscription right here by showing speaker 1 and speaker 2, and that is pretty much very cool. So it's going to make you differ or know the people who are talking at a given time after you are done recording on your device, and that is one nifty feature which I think Google has really done well bringing it to us, and that is basically very cool. But I'm yet to see it on my device, so in case it pops up, I'm actually going to share a follow-up video with you guys, and you guys are going to see how it works. But all I'm going to say is, in case you have the Pixel 6, Pixel 7, and then 7 Pro and 6 Pro, 6a, 5 and all, you can just update your device and you probably might see these features coming up on your phones. There are distinct features which the Pixel 7 and 7 Pro has, and I'm going to share with you at the end of the video, so you better stick around so that you're going to be able to know what these phones are going to have. So the next I'm going to share with you is within the privacy and security settings, and you're going to see security and privacy settings in the next update in my follow-up video after this update has been optimized on my device, because that is what Google is actually telling us is going to pop up on our devices. And also we are going to be able to scan our phone to increase the security of our phone and make us uninstall apps which are really going to harm our devices. So this is actually going to be in my follow-up videos, like I said. And also another thing that popped up which is not appearing on my device yet is ability to just detect cough and snore when you turn on bedtime mode in digital and well-being. So this is actually a nifty feature, because sometimes when we sleep, a lot of things do happen and we probably wouldn't know whether we snored or we coughed, but this feature is actually going to help us. So in my follow-up video, in case I see this feature on my device, I'm just going to share with you guys, so you guys are going to know how it works, or when you update your phone, you probably might see it right there. So the next thing which is also coming to the Google Pixel phones is the clear calling for the Pixel 7 and then 7 Pro, which is actually going to cut all noises around when someone is actually making a call, and it makes the call very, very clear and all, which is one cool thing Google has done well bringing it to us on our Pixel phones, and that is pretty much very cool. So clear calling is actually a feature which is coming to the Pixel 7 and 7 Pro. I'm sure maybe in the later updates, Pixel 6 and 6 Pro and 6a probably might get this clear calling, and that is going to be very, very great, because I'll be yearning to just see that. And also Pixel 7 and 7 Pro users are going to get the Google One free VPN coming to them now. Google promised it in the Google I/O, so it's now going to be free for them. So in case you're having the Pixel 7 and then 7 Pro, you're going to get the free Google One VPN, and that is pretty much very cool. So like I said, in case maybe everything is optimized on my device and then I'm able to see all the features working on my device, I'm going to make a follow-up video for you guys, like I said, and that's pretty much very cool. So you can check this video right here in case you want to know more tips and tricks on how you're going to be able to use your Pixel 6 and 6 Pro or any Pixel phone, and that is pretty much very cool. Subscribe to the channel if you are new here, and I'm going to catch you in the next video. Peace.